Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. I'm on today with you because I feel like, let me just move this card out of the way because I keep knocking it. I feel like I have not played with Dawn's latest release enough. So I've decided to make two cards, and it's the Cutesy Treasures, which is Douglas the Donkey and Fluffy the Unicorn. So that's what I'm working with today. It is available, still available in Dawn's online shop, so please go and check that out. She has so much more in the shop as well, so many goodies. Yeah, I wish I had the money to just buy everything. Just have a sip of coffee, because it is morning, it is early morning. Been up since about 6:30. So yeah, anyway, yeah, so I have two card bases, both 5x7. So we're going to work with Fluffy. I put the card out of the way a minute because I'm going to use some peel offs. I think these are Love from Lizzie. Doesn't actually say, I don't know. So I have all of my elements here to put on the card. Isn't she just gorgeous? And she comes with the glitter bottles, of course. So my plan was to put this across here. Yeah, which I'm going to do. No messing about, so I'm glue up to that. Not quite in the middle, just off middle a bit. Push it right up to that end there. Make sure I actually get this straight for a change. So there we are. Right, oh, just got glue everywhere. How is everybody today? We have another fine sunny day today. Yeah, don't know how long it's going to last for. We were promised a thunderstorm. I love thunderstorms. I love thunder and lightning. A bit strange, I know, but yeah, I love it. Right, okay, so yeah, they're all the same width. I don't know the name of them, haven't a clue. So let's get this on here. I just wanted to use sparkly ones. Yeah, that bit and bits come in handy. And I'm going to use the same peel offs for the other card as well. So a nice bit of glitter. There we are. That one there. Hope I'm in camera shot. Hold them around. Right, okay, now I can stick it on my card. Usually I forget to put the peel offs on if I'm using them. So I'm happy that I remembered. Right, so my layer, my mat is 1/4 of an inch, maybe a little bit more shorter than my card. So we have that. Oh my god, I'm loving that. Let's have a look, see where the big Fluffy can go. I want it to sit on there. Yeah, I quite like that. So I'm going to stick this one down first. And I think I might just glitter this up a little bit more. Yes, I have a glitter pen. So, yeah, why not? That one there. Right, I'll do it at the end actually. Yeah, just so I'm not touching it. I don't get glitter everywhere. And we will have Fluffy sitting right there. Awesome. Doesn't she look amazing? And I have these from Dawn's B words. I've got Be Dazzling. Where am I going to put this one? Be dazzling, be energetic, and at the bottom, be free. Yep, so I'm going to stick them on. One at the top, that one, and this one. So it's a very sparkly, shiny card. Beautiful. Be energetic. And be free. Right. I think I still got some in this. Is it coming out? Yes. It is coming out. So I'm sorry if my head gets in the way. I'm just gonna sparkle these up a little bit. We all want a little bit of glitter every now and then, don't we? Bit of sparkle. Lovely. I think I got this from Tonic Studios. I'm not actually sure. I could have got it from Amazon, but I did get them quite a while ago, so can't remember. And I'm going to sparkle up her hoofs. Is it hoofs or hoof? Such a simple word. How can you get that wrong? Right, okay, she is all sparkly. Beautiful. Yes, I love. Right, let's put it out the way so don't touch it so it can dry. What is this? Oh, yeah, just a piece of cut off. And this one I'm using Douglas the donkey, and I've got him facing away from each other, so I'm using two. I have got my words and I have got my layers. So what I want to do is I want to stick this down here in the middle. Has to be in the middle. Has to be in the middle. Just in case I miss the end. I don't want to get glue all over again. All right. What do you call that? Middle? Middle for diddle. There we go. And oh, didn't get glue all over. Amazing. Cut that bit off. Keep that because you never know. Right, so same peel offs. Got glue on that bit. Yeah. It's going all over the place. So off a little bit on that end so I can wrap it around, or they don't come up. They won't come up anywhere. They're very sticky. Oh. I don't know, I'm keeping that tiny little bit far, but yeah. Like that. How is everybody spending the day? Will you be doing some crafting? If you are, why not come over to the Shiny Silver Treasures Facebook group and yeah, shows your crafts. Be very inspiring to crafters to see what other crafters have been up to. Yeah. Stick that on there. Oh, if I can get it straight, that is. Nope. Over a little bit. My border around this one is a little bit here, there and everywhere. So yeah, it's not even straight. Right, let's put glue on and get this stuck down. Yes, right way, yes. That'll do. Lovely. So that's my matten layering done. And I'm just going to stick Douglas down. So I'm going to just stick him there. Or there. He's like, he's floating. I like it there actually. He's floating. Or she. You can call her a she donkey. Douglas if you want to. My cat's called Henry and she's a girl. So yeah, why not? Right, okay, so we have that. And I've got be great, be happy, and be brave. Oh, I like that. Oh, let's stick these down. And I'm going to put some pearls on this one. So be great. Oh, I've just knocked them all over. Be happy. Be brave. Have to be brave, don't you? Otherwise you never do anything. Like that. And I have got some pearly bits here. I need my pip tool. Wipe the top of my glue off so it's not all over. I'm going to put one bubbles on there, one there, one there, one there. I think that'll do actually. Right, so these pearls are from Dawn's kits, like a past kits. I've just took everything sparkly and gemmy out and put them all in one place so I can get at them easy. And the last one, does it need more? It doesn't need more, does it? No, I've got way too much glue on that bit. See if we can pick some of it up. That'll do. Right, okay. Let me just pick these pearlies up that I've just knocked all over the place. Ah, there. And the last one. Let's put them in there. So, there we go. See, I've got a little tub. Not many left in there, actually. I've used quite a lot. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to bring my other card back. Sure I don't touch the sparkly bits. You see all the sparkle. Beautiful, dazzling. It's dazzling. So there are my two cards. Sorry. From the Cutesy Treasures. It's Douglas the donkey and Fluffy the unicorn. Absolutely amazing. Love, love, love. Adorable. So cute. That's why they're called Cutesy Treasures. Okay, so I'm going before I wrap it on too much. If you enjoyed watching, please give me a big thumbs up. leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think. And if you are not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye bye for now.